425, you might want to preheat your oven before putting your pizza in. So when you hear that beeping on your oven, that's when you know your oven is ready to go for you to put the pizza in, okay? So let's do the opening, all right? So I got this fancy little knife right here, and I'm just going to open it up. Be careful when you use the knife. See, sometimes I can't deal with these plastic because the plastic are so sharp sometimes, it's like hard to get out. So I'm going to just slightly cut it, and then I'm going to just break it on open. So this is my first one, right? My first crust. Everybody knows you just slap it onto this big old piece of pan right here. I got from Walmart, $5. Talk about bargain shopping, man. You can't find this nowhere else, man. Hopefully they still got some in there for you, but when I went and got this pan, it was just sitting there. So it's $5. Super blessed to have that, right? All right, so then we get our red sauce right here. Shake it up too. You know, you want to make sure everything is all good to go. All right, so we open it up. And make sure yours got a pop to it. Mine's had a pop to it. Make sure you got a pop, because if it ain't pop, when you open it, don't use it. That's just like a security hazard, okay? You don't want to use anything that somebody done opened up, put back. So, I just put a little bit because it's a little pizza, So I take my spoon and I just softly, smoothly, just, just push it all around. You don't want to put too much, but if you like the extra sauce, there's no judgment here. We love each other's pizza, man. There's no problem with that. So as you can see, I got the sauce on it, right? Everybody can see that? All right, cool. Now, there's a different way you can do things, man. Why follow the rule of putting the cheese on first and then putting the toppings on there? You ain't got to do all that. You can put the toppings on first, then put the cheese, then add more toppings, then put more cheese. It's up to you. Any way you like it. Like I said, there's no judgment, but just for the sake of pre-college time, I'm gonna just do it regularly. I'm gonna go get my mozzarella cheese right here, and I'm a big cheese eater, and I'm lactose intolerant. But we're not gonna get into all that though. But this is what we're gonna do right here, and I just put a lot of cheese on there, and then you just start off like I'm gonna put my mushrooms on there. So I don't need no knife for the mushrooms. I can just rip it open because I'm strong. If you didn't know that, I'm very strong. So got my mushrooms, and you just put a little bit on there. Just make sure you leave some for your siblings. Don't be greedy. Don't take it all. Just be courteous of the other people that want some ingredients as well. All right. So I got my mushrooms on there, and then I'm gonna go get my spinach because I mentioned I was strong, but I want to be stronger. That's always the thing. So I just throw that on there. Boom. There we go. And then I'm gonna go over here and get to my smoked sausage right here. So this is Hillshire Farms. It does matter what brand you get. Like they got different ones. They got beef. So people that don't eat pork, go get the beef one. Okay. They even got turkey sausage. Man, I had turkey sausage and it was pretty good. There's no big difference into the turkey sausage. It's just healthier. So but I tried it for the first time. I was like, wow, this whole time I'm like, we only eat turkey on Thanksgiving, but that is a lie, man. Turkey is everywhere, man. So just want to let y'all know that they got them type of things. So I do big cuts. You got a little piece I got, so I'm gonna do big cuts. Boom, put it right over here. And me, I'm gonna just overflow my pizza.
Mr. English, do we have to Miggy? Mr. Miranda's asking if we should preheat the oven to 425.
Exactly, 425. Yeah, so pre-up that oven. That's what I was doing when I was doing the system and stuff like that. Because I'm actually in the community. I'm actually in the dorms right now. I'm actually gonna use the community dorm oven. Okay, so this is like an experience for y'all to know. Like, hey, there's people in the oven. There's people in the kitchen right now. But just for the sake of you being able to hear me, I just stepped out for a little bit. But yeah, I put all my ingredients in there. I'm gonna put more cheese on it too. And it should take that long too.
Yeah, students, make sure that you are that you preheat. And like Kevin, like Mr. English is saying, you can put any type of ingredients that you'd like. So again, fill your pizza with whatever you'd like to put on there. There's no judgment here, like Mr. English says.
Yeah, I got this big old piece. You're like, dude, how you gonna be able to eat that? I said, well, I eat my pizza a certain kind of way. taco pizza, man. I just fold that bad boy up, man. You know, we just go crazy. Sometimes I gotta take some of the toppings off because it is times overwhelming. But you know what? That's all about the art of pizza. You get messy, you feel good. Yeah, you know, you might take a nap after work, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and put this pizza in the oven. So I will step out for a little bit, load up
Before
my
you
stuff.
do, Mr. English, we have a quick question. Can
Yeah,
you
go ahead.
make homemade food in college?
Say again.
Can you make homemade food in college?
Yeah, you can, man. So actually, man, if you don't have these supplies, right? Like if you don't have a pizza cutter like I do, right? If you don't have a pizza pan, okay, you can go up to the front desk in your dorm. Like my dorm, they open up at 12 o'clock and they close at 10 p.m. So from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m., you can you can get all these you know, utensils, stuff like that, the pans, stuff like that, to get what you need so you can make a healthy pizza. We also have a Whitewater, right here on Main Street in Whitewater, the Walmart over here. So you get these same ingredients, and you know, go ahead and cook your pizza. Now, when you become, see, this is the thing though. This is a special thing about it because when you start being a student here, you had the choice to be a resident assistant, right? Okay, this is where you know how to teach you how to make a pizza. You can end up doing this on your own and be
Hmm.
in a leadership position to teach the rest of your floor how to make pizza, you know, healthy pizza, stuff like that. And, you know, it's to save you money. You don't have to go to Papa John's, Little Caesars, Domino's, Pizza Hut, you know, what have you. You can make them yourself. And it's fun. And then, you know, nobody's touching, nobody's sneezing on your pizza. You know, nobody's taking toppings off your pizza. You know, the delivery man gave you the pizza, but it's one slice missing. Like, dude, where you getting my pizza? You know, like, what you doing, man? So this is why you know you got all your slices right here, right in front of you, man. So, you
There
know,
you go.
is there any more questions? Any more questions on that one?
Me A is having a opening her stuff. Mike, what
Right,
you know, ask for some help if things are there.
right.
You
So
know,
be
let them know if
careful. Yeah, yeah, be
yeah,
careful.
be very careful.
Uh,
Be very careful.
exactly. So, yeah, definitely, man. So, yeah, this is how you make a piece. You can make a piece in any type of way. Like I said, there's no art to it. You just do what you're gonna do to make sure the piece is up to your quality standards, and that's what matters the most. What makes you happy? You know, do you need extra cheese or little cheese? More spinach? No spinach. Oh, I forgot the olives. Well, their stores are around you. Go get the olives. You know, like do what makes you happy. Do what makes your pizza happy. You know, you and the pizza are in a relationship. You feel me? This is your sacred place to, you know what I'm saying, feed your belly. So, you know, that's basically what I'm about to do right now. I know Mr. Lozano's about to do it. Everybody in the building's about to do it. So, yeah, this is how you make a pizza. A nice pizza. You don't gotta get meat lovers all the time. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta do all that processed cheese, whatever that they be getting from all the pizza shops. You know, all that stuff is processed to be preserved from the long truck drive that they get from the factory on over to Whitewater's Domino's. You know, you don't want to deal with that. You want fresh stuff from the source. So, and there's a lot of stores like Whole Foods. Let me tell you, Whole Foods, man, kind of pricey, man, but they so worth it, man. Whole Foods, I go there a lot. That's where I go to get my food. Syndex, super expensive. Will recommend you going there, but you know if you got Syndex by your house, just know have some money on hand because their ingredients are outrageous. But if there's anything else left to do, is to put the pizza in the oven. And then, like I said, you got two extra left for your siblings, for your parents, or even you know, if you're gonna be stingy and do all three for yourself, go right ahead. We gave it to you. We gave it to you, right? So
Hey,
it's your
right.
world. You know,
Hey,
it's just your world. We just live in it.
fellas,
Yeah,
have you,
that's right. Man.
Mr. English? Me A wants to
Yeah.
a pizza lover.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, man. You know, Mr. Lozano, man, he could probably check it out for you too, man. Because up at housing, man, they said that I spent a lot of money on pizza, and I believe it. I believe it because we used to get free pizza from Rocco Coco, Pizza Hut, and Domino's. I used pizza for every program that I had as an RA. And I was an RA for 3 years, 3 years straight, fall and spring, 3 years. So I ordered pizza every single time. I ran up that pizza bill.
He's the
It
pizza
wasn't a
man.
game, man. I had to make sure that people. I had to, man. And you know what? You know what? I got a CD right now. His name is Nick Foco. He's my complex director right now. He was actually my CD as an RA. He could tell you firsthand how much pizza I bought. Man, good times, man. But yeah, I am a pizza lover. Yes, yes, I am. And then
That's fun.
for my next episode, make sure y'all tune in for December because I got something planned for y'all next month as well. So make sure we just sent out the application. So you make sure if your friends ain't here, you make sure you let them know. Hey, sign up, man. Kevin got something great for us next month, December 19th. Be there. I got stuff planned out for y'all, for real. So this has been my cooking segment right here. Go ahead, make a pizza, preheat the oven 425, put it on there for like 18 minutes. That's what you would usually do for a big pizza. So I'll probably try to cut it down to like 15 minutes. But check on your pizza though, because every oven is different. So yeah, check that out,
Definitely.
y'all. So make sure you keep out. So yeah, definitely. And then
Hey,
my last thing too, I got my Canada Dry too, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a big ginger ale drinker too, so that's what I do.
Does anybody want any pizza looks? What toppings you guys are putting on? What kind of topping?
Oh, should I
Everything.
stop sharing my screen? Maybe stop sharing my screen so y'all can share your screen. Show me what y'all working with.
What is that looks so good. Where'd it go?
What is that? Dania, I think. Dania. Wow, what's you all put on there? Anybody else? Miguel's over there cooking. What? He put 3 on? Judgment zone. No judgment. Just kidding.
Inclusiveness.
Chocolate pop.
Isabella, oh, she made more too, and she put everything on. Those look good.
That look really. Anybody else? Anybody else?
I'm gonna do mine later.
Oh, okay. Okay.
My mom right now cooking.
Aunt May. Oh, snap. What'd you all put? You guys are killing it with the pizzas. You know, which was a while ago. I love pizza too, Kev. I'm right up there with you. But I used to beg my mom, man. I used to be like, man, can we get some Pizza Hut or something? Because pizza was the bomb back then. So I always beg. And then she'd be like, yeah, I'm going to give you some Pizza Hut. Don't even trip. I got you. Wouldn't say it like that, but, in a sense, that's how she was saying. So we get home, and I'd be like, we're going to get pizza, this and that. Man, you know what? My mom's Pizza Hut consisted of pasta, bread, and cheese.
She got you a flat.
I grew to love it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I grew to love that stuff, man. It was so good. Every time I ask for Pizza Hut, she'd be like, yep, I got you. I'm going to make you some Pizza Hut right now. And I get the bread with pasta and cheese. But it was super good. Can't even lie. Another way, actually, too, that you guys can make pizza is using tortillas, too. You guys get salt water, and I believe flour tortillas, and you got to damp them in water and then kind of like mix it like dough. But man, it comes.
I'll be right back, y'all. Let me just go ahead and put this piece in the oven, y'all, so y'all can walk with me with this one. All right, y'all. So just so y'all to see, what the community looks like. See, like I said, we got some whitewater students up in here. They making their food too. So, when you come in here for college, Oh yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. So yeah, when you come here for college, so you gotta learn how to share. You gotta learn how to work with people. Work with
Yes,
people
sir.
is something that you got to do all day. You gonna sleep together. You gonna wake up together. Well, not sleep together, but you gonna all sleep in the same dorm together.
Hmm.
And then you're gonna wake up. They're gonna use the same showers. They start a community showers here. You don't get your own individual shower. Yeah, they blocked off a section, but essentially, this person's in here. Okay, now I gotta wait. That's basically how it goes. And you know, you gotta clean up after yourself too. Like I just made this table dirty. I, we don't want dirty tables. This is a community. We live together. We use everything together. We gotta make sure we clean it. Now we got COVID. You gotta be extra clean, right? So this is just the type of things that as students, we go through, and you'll be in this position soon as well, whether you're at Whitewater or any college in the world, or
Hmm.
even overseas. It's the same ball game. So you gotta understand when you cooking and stuff like that, and you using the property of the university. Like I said, Benson Hall front desk gives you these supplies to cook. You gotta wash that stuff, man. You can't get them a dirty pan. They're gonna send it right back to you. Hey, wash this. But
Yep.
everybody know that. It's just common sense, right? But I just want to let you know that, like right now, I'm in a position where I have to share. If somebody's using the oven, I gotta wait. you know, there's no app set up to where I can use the kitchen time. Boom. Same thing with the laundry, man. It's a hassle. You walking up 4 or 5 steps just to get down there to see all the washing and drying is filled up, man.
Man,
Try again in an hour.
you're gonna drive them away, man.
Oh, well, I want to make sure y'all prepared. I don't want y'all getting here like, man, I can do whatever I want. Nope. Wait, wait your turn.
In a sense, like in a sense, you definitely can, because once you get to college, you're an adult, and
Yep.
they treat you like an adult here. And so I'm Kevin, you're definitely right. Everything you're talking about, you're hitting on the point. Like, learning how to clean up after yourself, learning how to work with others. You might not work with people well, in high school and all that stuff, all those little cliques and all that stuff or whatever. But once you get into college, it's way different, man. You're gonna want to actually link up with different people that you don't know, because a lot of the time, I don't even want to say a lot of the time, sometimes it's not about what you know. I mean, obviously it's what you know. But obviously, too, it's who you know, because they can put you in that door. They can put you in that position, and that's what college is all about: getting put into that position. So just utilize all your resources. Learn to do things outside of the box. But honestly, you guys have no trouble doing that at all. I've seen a lot of you guys demonstrate these capabilities. So you guys are definitely on the right path. So continue the good work, guys. I'm very proud of all of you. So again, continue the great work.
Hey, you know what, y'all? I'll be right back. Now I got to clean up after myself. So y'all go ahead, finish up your pizza. I'm going to clean up after my mess. I'll be right back on once I'm done, okay? Bye, y'all.
Thank you, Mr. English. Also,
Yeah, no
just want to. So right now, pizzas or your plants, that'd be great. It's the camera isn't on, that's cool. But if you guys could just show us a picture, just want to see your plants or even the pizza. I want to get a little more hungry. But yeah, just wanted to just let you guys know what's happened in the coming up hours in the coming up of our schedule. If that made sense. So right now we're in the lunch section from 12 to 1. And then we have a break time. So honestly, if keep cooking your pizza. But by 1:15, we are going to have Mr. Miranda with his building activity with you guys. And then from there, we will have another presentation on nanophysics after until about 3:15. And then from 3:15 to 3:30, we'll conclude with everything. And by 3:30, we will be done. So right now until about 1:15, hopefully you guys, stretch, do what you need to do, drink some water, make your pizzas. But at 1:15, please be ready because we do have Mr. Miranda's presentation coming up. All right. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Thank you.